In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to attach the Grinch head to your completed Grinch slipper. If you're interested in the full project video tutorial, there is a link in the description below. But for this particular video, I'm going to be responding to some questions on how exactly to attach the head to the top of the slipper. All right, so once you go ahead and finish your slipper, you're going to use your yarn needle and connect it to a bottom stitch just right at the bottom of the Grinch head, and you're going to weave through a stitch at the bottom of the Grinch head and then through a stitch at the top of the slipper, and pull that through, and you're just going to go in and out like this. So now I'm going to go through another stitch at the bottom of the Grinch head, and I'm going to connect it to a stitch at the top of the slipper, and you're just going to continue on weaving your yarn needle in and out like this, just to literally sew it on to the top of the slipper. Okay, I'll show you again. I'm just going to push my yarn needle through one of the stitches at the bottom of my Grinch head. And then the next step I'm going to take before going through another stitch at the bottom of the Grinch head is I'm going to go through one of the stitches at the top of my slipper. I hope you can see that's a good view. Okay, and that's it. You can see that it's connecting. You're going to go ahead and continue that all the way around, and you're done. I hope this video was helpful, and again, if you're looking for the full project video tutorial or even the written pattern, the links are available in the description below, and there are different size options for child right up to adult.